आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल ए प्लस मैथमेटिक्स में। Here question number 1 is find dy by dx and you are given that 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. So we need to differentiate. So we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we differentiate both sides with respect to x. You will get differentiation on left hand side as well as right hand side. On left hand side you can see we have to differentiate this 2x and 3y. So 2x differentiation will be 2 and differentiation of 3y, we will take 3 outside and we will write on dy by dx. Okay, and in the question you are given that sin x, we already differentiated. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So next up you can see this 2x differentiation will be 2, 3 we have taken outside, and y differentiation will be dy by dx equal to cos x. We need to find value of dy by dx. So what we will do, we will shift this 2 to right hand side, it will become negative, and then we will shift this 3 on the right hand side and you will get dy by dx equal to cos x minus 2 by 3. Alright, so this is your implicit function. Implicit function means when your function is in more than one variable. Okay, now see question number second. You are given that 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. Again we have to differentiate. So we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. On the left hand side, again in 2x and 3y, we'll do the same which we have done in question number 1. 2x differentiation will be 2, 3 we will take outside and you will get dy by dx. On the right hand side you can see it is sin y. So what we will do, here we apply the chain rule. Means first we will differentiate sin differentiation, means sin differentiation will be cos y, and then we will differentiate y again by chain rule. See, 2x differentiation will be 2, 3 as it is, y differentiation will be dy by dx, sin y differentiation is cos y into dy by dx. Now the question is we need to find value of dy by dx. So what we will do, we will simply shift this term 3 into dy by dx to right hand side and take dy by dx common, and you will get 2 upon cos y minus 3. Okay, now question number 4, dy by dx is we need to find, and question is xy plus y square equal to tan x plus y. On the left hand side you can see we have to apply your product formula, and here we have to apply chain rule, and on the right hand side we will simply differentiate. On left hand side you can see this product rule. If you remember how you will apply, in this step you can see we just separated the differentiation, we have not differentiated any function till now. In this step you can see I have applied this product formula. The differentiation of first formula and second will remain same, plus differentiation of second first will remain same. Okay, plus this y square differentiation will be 2y into differentiation of y is dy by dx is equal to tan x differentiation will be secant square and y differentiation will be dy by dx. Now in the question we need to find dy by dx. So first what we will do, before solving this, we differentiate this x, differentiation will be 1, this term remains same, this term remains same, and the right hand side also remain same. Now we will combine all the term dy by dx on one side, we will move all the term one side, and like this you can see, and then we need to find dy by dx. So this shift this term to the right hand side. Okay, so this is the way how you will evaluate that dy by dx. Now see one more question. In question number 6, again this question is little bit complicated because it contains, in this question we have to apply double product formula. See this, here also we have to apply product formula, here also we have to apply product formula, so as well as chain formula. Okay, and right hand side you can see it is 81 which is constant, whose differentiation will be 0. See what will happen when we differentiate this. First of all, we will differentiate both sides, separate the differentiation, then you can see in this formula you can see this पहले second term same, first का differentiation plus first same second का differentiation. Similarly, actually ये bracket नहीं है यहाँ पर, ये bracket remove कर देना, you can remove this bracket. The question was x into y square. So again your y square, from here you can see this y square is same differentiation x plus x as it is differentiation y square plus y cube differentiation will be 3y square into dy by dx and equal to 0. Again when you differentiate this y square, differentiation कितना होगा इसका 2y into dy by dx by chain rule. Okay, and बाकी सब टर्म तो सेम ही रहेंगी. इसका डिफरेंशियल 2x हो गया, ये सेम है, x का डिफरेंशियल 1 होगा, a differential will be 2y dy by dx. Now what we will do, we will separate the term containing dy by dx and we can find value of dy by dx. Okay, ये करेक्शन कर लेना, यहाँ पर भी dx by dy के प्लेस पे dy by dx है, ये उल्टा लिखा गया है, और यहाँ पर भी dy by dx है. Alright, now see question number 8. Question number 8, you are given that sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. Again, if you see on the left hand side, you will apply the chain rule. Sin square differentiation will be first of all power rule, then sin differentiation. Here power rule, then cos differentiation into y differentiation. See, first of all power rule 2 sin x raised to power minus 1. 2 पावर आगे पावर में से एक माइनस, या 2 आगे आगे 2 में से एक माइनस कर दिया, यू विल गेट 2 sin x इनटू साइन का डिफरेंशिएशन बाय चेन रूल. यहाँ पर किया हमने पावर रूल, फिर लगाया साथ में चेन रूल, प्लस कोस स्क्वायर का है तो पावर आगे पावर में से एक माइनस, तो 2 cos y क्या बना आपका पावर रूल, एंड कोस का इनटू कर दिया तो ये बना आपका चेन रूल. अगेन यू कैन सी दिस फर्स्ट टर्म 2 sin x will remain same, differentiation sign will be cos plus 2 cos y will remain same, differentiation of cos y is minus sin y into by chain rule dy by dx. Now you can see this is a 2 sin x cos x formula of sin 2x, 2 cos y sin y, again sin 2y, minus plus minus into dy by dx. We can find value of dy by dx. Question number 9 is a little bit different. In this question we will use the formula of inverse trigonometry, chapter number 2, class 12. So if you remember, also we have done that formula of trigonometry in class 11, like sin 2 theta. If you remember the formula, sin 2 theta was 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. If you compare this thing with that formula, if in place of x we will put tan theta, then you will get the formula. Also if you put x equal to tan theta, implies theta equal to tan inverse x. Okay, this we will use later. In this question at the last we will use. Now initially what we will do, we will put x equal to tan theta. If you put x equal to tan theta, what you will get 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta, and this is the formula of sin 2 theta. Now this sin inverse and this sin get cancelled, you will get y equal to 2 theta. In place of theta we will put this value tan inverse x, put this value here, and you will get y equal to 2 tan inverse x, and then you can simply differentiate. Now see question number 10. In question number 10 you are given that y equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. If you remember, this is also a formula of class 11. If you put x equal to tan theta, you will get 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Remember that formula of tan 3 theta. Put x equal to tan theta. See, you will get tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and this is formula of tan 3 theta. Now this tan inverse and tan get cancelled. You will get y equal to 3 theta. In place of theta, you will put the value of theta from here. From here you can see theta is nothing, it is tan inverse x. So put that value, you will get y equal to 3 tan inverse x. Now differentiate and you will get your answer. Okay, see next question, question number 12. Again you are given y equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. जनरली हम इन क्वेश्चन में x को tan थीटा ही पुट करते हैं. अगर इस क्वेश्चन में भी हम tan थीटा पुट करें, then what you will get? You will get y equal to sin inverse 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. But now you can see this is not the formula of sin 2 theta. This is formula of cos 2 theta. And now, but you cannot cancel this sin inverse with cos. So what we will do? We will convert this cos into sin. And how we will convert this cos into sin? By using the formula sin pi by 2 minus theta equal to cos theta. And now this sin inverse and sin get cancelled. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta we are left with. From here theta is tan inverse x. Put here and you will get pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. When you differentiate this, differentiation of pi by 2 will be 0, minus 2 will remain same, and inverse differentiation of tan inverse x will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. Alright, remember, if we have sine outside cos inverse, again you will use the same concept. Okay, now in question number 14, again you have to find dy by dx, and you are given that y equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. In this question I am giving you hint only, and you have to do yourself. You have to put x equal to sin t. When you put x equal to sin t, then you will get in this bracket 2 sin t root 1 minus sin square. When you try to solve it, and comment your answer in the comment box. In question 15 also we need to find dy by dx, and you are given a function y equal to secant inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Again I am giving you a hint in this question. You try it yourself. Still if you face any difficulty, you comment me in the comment box. And if किसी ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, आप मेरे चैनल को पहली बार देख रहे हैं, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.